Hello world. In this video, I am going to answer 5 frequently asked questions on instant noodles. They are also called as instant ramen. I welcome you to researchyourfood.com. The mission of this platform is bringing food science to the consumers. I am Prashant. I am a food engineer and the founder of Research Your Food project. I have close to a decade of research and development experience in the field of food science. The first and the most basic question is, what are instant noodles actually? Instant noodles or instant ramen are noodles prepared from wheat flour and or rice flour or any other flours that are pre-cooked and dehydrated either by frying or by other methods. Instant noodles were invented by Momofuku Ando of Nissin Foods in Japan. Ando started selling his pre-cooked noodles in 1958, and the original chicken-flavored noodles were named as chicken ramen. A popular question asked by many people across the world is, are instant noodles deep fried? There are fried as well as non-fried noodles available in the market. Generally, fried noodles are more popular in the Asian countries. Noodles undergo frying at about 140 to 160 degrees Celsius for a few minutes, mostly less than 2 minutes. Frying helps quickly dehydrate the noodle block. It also helps in creating the characteristic flavor and texture. The dehydration of noodles significantly increases their shelf life. One question that many health conscious people ask is, are instant noodles junk food? Foods and beverages which are low in vital nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, fiber, and at the same time high in calories, fat, added sugar, and or salt are generally referred to as junk food. Instant noodles in general contain about 200 to 400 kilocalories, that is about 837 to 1673 kilojoules per serving. Most of the products contain quite a lot of sodium. The dietary fiber quantity is meager in most of the products. Most of the instant noodle products contain little to no added sugar. There are a few brands which add certain minerals like calcium, iron, potassium, etc. The presence of vitamins is almost negligible. The protein content of most of the noodle products is below 10%. Personally, I feel most of the noodle products available in the world can be considered as junk food. But at the same time, companies always produce what is expected from the consumers. If we ask for healthier options, they will provide the same, and many companies are continuously trying to improve their products in the nutritional perspective. The fourth question is, why are instant noodles so popular? Instant noodles are popular for multiple reasons. They are offered in varied type of packaging materials such as cups, bowls, and bags. One of the most important reasons for their popularity is their quick cooking time. Most of the instant noodles or ramen can be cooked in less than 5 minutes. As the lives of people in general and especially in cities are getting more and more busy, foods that can be cooked quickly started becoming popular. The preparation method of instant ramen is also very easy. The cooking instructions to be followed is clearly mentioned on the products. People without good knowledge of cooking can also prepare them by simply following the instructions. Cup noodles and bowl noodles offer exceptional convenience. They are portable and in most of the cases microwavable. They can be consumed on the go or at school or at work. We don't need any bowls and utensils to consume them. This eliminates the dishwashing effort. Instant noodles are quite shelf-stable and are relatively cheap compared to other packaged foods. Most of the brands have at least 6 months of shelf life. The instant ramen became famous in most parts of the world because the companies offered flavors suitable to local tastes. Most of the brands of noodles contain flavor enhancers such as MSG or naturally present glutamates. The synergistic effect of fat, sodium, flavor enhancers, and various spices such as garlic, peppers, fenugreek powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, etc., make the noodles taste addictively good. Instant ramen are also available in almost all the flavors such as beef, chicken, shrimp, pork, egg, hot and spicy, chili, soy sauce, masala, etc. This provides lot of options to choose from for the end consumers. This is also one of the reasons why instant noodles got quite famous across the world. The fifth and the final question is, are instant noodles carcinogenic? There was a claim in the social media that instant ramen contain wax and the noodle strands don't stick to each other because of it. It was also mentioned that this wax causes cancer. This claim is totally false and baseless. Instant noodles don't contain wax. The ingredients used in the manufacturing of noodles are clearly mentioned on the label. There was also another claim that Maggi noodles produced in India contain pork fat. This is also completely false. Companies producing noodles need to follow strict food safety guidelines and strict quality control practices enforced by the food safety authorities in the respective countries. They are also frequently audited by the local food safety authorities and certification bodies. Thanks for watching. At Research Your Food, I create content related to food science and nutrition. This video is a part of the Food Science and Technology series. If you have more questions, let me know in the comment section. I will try to answer those questions. To get the latest updates about our videos, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and follow researchyourfood.com website. You can stay in touch with us through our social media pages. I hope to see you in my next video.